Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can generate images and videos in Canva, and it will be a beginner step-by-step guide for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to go to the home, and then you just need to choose your eventual size for your design. So let's say I am going to work on Instagram post, so I'll search for Instagram here, Instagram actually, and then you will get to see this kind of a thing. So I'll click on Instagram post. Once I click over here, then I will click on create blank. Once I click over here, then it will eventually give me the editing panel in that place. So from that place, I will just come back to that one, and here I will find out the magic media. As you can see, this is the magic media where I can generate images by using artificial intelligence. So let's go, let's click on inspire again. So multiple class holographic background. So let's say boy lost in jungle and melted color. So I'm going to generate an image. So I'll click over here, and it will take a couple of minutes to generate an image. So we just need to be keep patience here to get eventual results. So let's wait a bit. So here you can see that an image already been generated. So this way you can easily generate images for your designs. As you like, if you explain it perfectly, then you will get amazing kind of a design in here, which will be an unique, and the more thing is engaging. And similarly, if you want to generate videos, you are allowed to generate in Canva. Just go to the videos and just click on Inspire and just click to generate video, and it will take 1 or 2 minutes to generate a video. So you just need to wait a bit, and once it's done, then you will eventually get a result similar with the images one. So here actually you can see our video already been generated. So you just need to drag and drop in here similarly like the previous one. So in this way you can easily generate images, videos on Canva by using artificial intelligence or magic media. So thanks for watching till the end of the video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.